It's Thursday, May 29th, 2025, 6:25 a.m. Pacific time zone currently. So we got Asia session marked out right here from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then we have London over here at 11 to 2. We've already taken out the high from Asia, and then we started to come down. Took out the low from Asia here in pre-market. Then we continue down. Started to have some type of retrace, kind of just going sideways. We got 4 minutes until the market opens. Today we already had news announcement at 5:30, and we got another one at 7. The one at 7 is only an orange folder, so it probably won't affect the price that much. I'm not too worried about it. So here, looking at regular trading hours, this is where we closed yesterday at 1:14. Then coming back to extended trading hours, this is where we're currently at, opening at 6:30. So again, this is the bottom where we closed yesterday, and then up here's where we're at. I'm gonna mark it out, and this is the halfway point, the green line. I expect price right now. My bias is that it's going to come down in the first half hour of market and hit at least the halfway mark. So right here, I see fair value gap. After this sweep of the 5-minute high, now we're retracing to the fair value gap. Yeah, I see us coming lower, but we got about a minute and a half until market open. So let's see what happened as soon as market open. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead.
Order filled.
I'm just getting in right here. And then stop loss above this fair value gap here, and take profit down here, halfway to where we closed yesterday. So this was a messy fair value gap entry, and it wasn't the best entry. because here we came above the halfway mark of the fair value gap. And the only reason I use this fair value gap as an entry is because the amount of like the speed at which this candle was forming downwards. And then that combined with my overall bias of it usually comes down to the halfway mark of where it closed yesterday before 7. Those two things combined gave me confidence to enter, as well as the fact we'd already swept this high. So now we're forming another fair value gap right here. I'll make it blue just to see the difference. It's looking good so far. We're making fair value gaps all the way down. If we get a touch back into them, I could even add a contract to my position. Let's see if we get a retraced confluence right here. I want to see it stay beneath this halfway mark and continue down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. All right, now I need to see continuation down. We had a little touch inside, close outside of it. If we can continue down and close down here, then I'll add another sell order to the position. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. We close down, continue down. I'm gonna go ahead and add a position. And since I added a position to the order based on this fair value gap, that means I can also move my stop loss down to the top of this fair value gap. So we're risking 219, and we could potentially make 395. So 1 to 1.8 risk to reward now. It was a little better risk to reward when I first entered, but then after adding another position down here lower and moving stop loss, ends up at a 1.84. There we go, baby. Bang. Just hit that shit. Not bad. Not bad. 393. Good little trade. And our initial entry was actually over here, like this. So going into it, it was a 1 to 4 trade. And then after moving stop loss, after finding another entry lower, adding more to the position, and adjusting our stop loss, I ended up at a 1 to 1.8. So still not bad. And we haven't even had our news announcement come out yet at 7. But like I said, I doubt that's going to affect price that much. I'm probably done for the day, but if I see another A plus setup, then I'll come back and I'll record that one too. But I'm trying to